Welcome to Smacky's Garage. Today we're going to be updating our lighting in our garage. We're going to go from our single bulb setup that we have back here all the way to a 6 light setup. We're going to do it for under $100 and it's going to make a world of a difference in our garage. Stay tuned. Alright, so I picked up the Max Light bulbs from Ocean State Job Lot. They're relatively cheap. I think I paid $15 each of them for them, so they're going to be under $100. The entire garage is going to be done. My garage is going to be done with 6 different bulbs across the garage. So the way that these bulbs are set up is you can have 2 lights here. Each one is going to be an LED strip. These are plastic, so they're not glass. Super simple to set up, so let's go ahead and get them set up. Alright, so the way the garage is laid out, it's 22 by 24, so 22 wide, 24 deep. The garage door is here. There's an entranceway door here that actually swings outwards, shouldn't be inwards. Looking at the floor plan and kind of how the cars are in there, I usually park one car here. Here there's sometimes a car, but most of the time it's either empty or I have a snowmobile in there. So now that that's laid out, I mean, there are boards here, here, and here. So what I think I'm going to end up doing is putting one light here on center with the car, one light here on center with the car, and just doing all 3 in these 6 locations. So that should give me adequate light for kind of the way that I have it set up. It would be nice to have a light going across this way here, then here, but I think for now I'm going to try starting with just with these 6 bulbs to see how it works out. Alright, so I already got 3 of them installed and they make a world of a difference. I mean, you can see here, the right side of the garage is pretty well lit, where if you go to the left side of the garage where the Shelby is, it's dark. So now that I have these 3 installed, I'm going to be wiring them up and then getting the next 3 installed so we can put everything together and make a nice well lit garage. So putting the last eye hook in, it literally broke off, probably because I drilled through a knot, but you know, I'll have to pick up another one and we'll shift it over an inch probably to the right and get it all put back together tomorrow. Alright, it's the next day. I went to Lowe's, got a new eye hook. You know, the one on the right is the new one that I picked up. It's stronger than the one on the left. It looks to be a better material and shouldn't have any issues with it. So I'm going to install this one, replace the one on the left on a few of them, and that'll be it. Alright, the lighting is done. Let's take a look to see how it came out. So here's the before with that one center light, kind of that 3 pattern light, and here's the after. You can see it's significantly better and it's going to provide a lot better lighting for the garage. Thanks for tuning in to Smacky's Garage today. You know, it's significantly better as you can see behind us with the lighting. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out for $100. You know, don't forget to like and subscribe. We have some good content coming up with the '69 Mustang as well as the 2013 Shelby. So like, subscribe, stay tuned. I'll see you soon.